In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tag a person on Meta Business Suite. Tagging people in your posts is a simple but powerful way to increase visibility, give credit, and connect your content with real profiles. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through the process so you can confidently tag people whenever you publish from Meta Business Suite. First, open your browser and go to Meta Business Suite. Make sure you're logged into the correct business account that manages the Facebook page or Instagram account you want to post from. Once the dashboard loads, you'll see an overview of your pages, insights, and tools. From here, we're going to create a new post. Look for the Create Post button, usually located near the center or top left of the main dashboard. Click on Create Post. This opens the Post Composer, which is where you'll set everything up before publishing. At the top of the Composer, you'll see options that control where your post will be published. Use the Post To drop-down to choose whether you want your content to go to Facebook, Instagram, or both at the same time. Take a moment to decide what makes sense for this particular post. For example, if your content is more visual and casual, you might choose Instagram only. If it's more informational, you might focus on Facebook. Or you can simply keep both selected to reach a wider audience. Next, add your media. Click the option to upload a photo or video from your computer or device. Select the file you want to share and wait for it to finish uploading. Make sure what you upload is clear, high quality, and relevant to the person you're going to tag, especially if they appear in the image or are closely related to the content. Now, click into the main text field where you write your caption. This is where the tagging happens. Type the @ symbol, and immediately after that, start typing the name or username of the person you want to tag. Meta Business Suite will show you a list of matching profiles or pages based on what you type. Carefully select the correct person from the suggestions so you don't accidentally tag the wrong account. Once you've done that, and you're happy with your caption, media, and destination settings, go ahead and publish the post. When the post goes live, the person you tagged will be linked in the caption, and depending on their settings, they may receive a notification that they've been tagged.